Beautiful glam fam, glam girls, glam everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it is the holiday season. It is my favorite season, the season of glam, the season of sparkle. So I have a Boohoo haul for you today. This is not sponsored. This one was on me. I bought all of these pieces and I just had to share them with you because I'm having a Christmas party December 4th in my house. So I'm looking for the perfect, comfortable, glittery glam dress to wear for the party, and I am going to Paris next month for the Christmas season. I am so excited. So some of these pieces I will probably take with me as well so I can get some gorgeous photos in front of the Eiffel Tower and all that stuff. So anyway, let's get started on this haul because this first dress is gorgeous and it might be the one I wear for the party. This first dress here I absolutely love. I'm obsessed with it. So the top is a little bit big on me and it is loose because I could not for the life of me get the zipper all the way up on my own. So it probably will be tighter when I have Antonio like zip it all the way up for me, but I pretty much got it on so you guys can see. So you guys can still see what it looks like. It's so beautiful. I love the off-shoulder like sweetheart neckline. It is covered in sequins and it's like a velvet material with the sequins on top. So it's a gorgeous mix of textures. It is so beautiful. I think I'm wearing a size 20 and I also got it in pink, and I think I got the pink in a size 18 because they didn't have 20. And this one I feel like I don't know if I'm gonna be able to fit into the 18, but I'm really excited to try it because if the pink one looks good I might wear the pink one. But I absolutely love this. It's so beautiful, nice and comfy. It's stretchy. The inside is so cozy and comfortable. It's just like the perfect holiday dress. The silver one would be so pretty for New Year's Eve, and I believe it comes in other colors, so I am up. Okay, so this next piece is a coat and I'm obsessed with it. So normally I don't go for coats like this. You guys know I prefer stuff that's more elegant and stuff that shows off my body and my waist a little bit more, because anything too bulky, too big, too heavy, too much fur makes me look bigger, and I personally just try to be as flattering as possible. And if that's not your style, that's totally fine. Wear whatever you want. I personally like to always have like an hourglass flattering shape. Personally, it's just my style. But this one I love because the color of it makes it more elegant. I think it makes it more expensive looking and, like I said, just more elegant. I love the faux fur detailing here, and the material is not too thick, and the color of it, the material of it, it looks really nice. I feel like it kind of could pass for a decent quality faux leather because it has some nice buttery look to it. It has some nice wrinkles on it, and I just think that it actually looks really nice. I wish it had pockets. Does it have pockets? Oh, it does have pockets. Oh, I love a side pocket, especially for a coat like this, because I can put my hands in it and it's just really comfy. I think this would be nice for those weekend outfits, you know, when you're going to those Christmassy markets and you want to dress a little bit more down. You want to wear sneakers, leggings, jeans and boots. You could dress it up or down, but it still gives this really cool edgy vibe, but the color is still dreamy and elegant. So I love this. I'm definitely gonna keep it. I think the size is good enough too, because I could wear a sweater under it and it still has room, but alone I think it looks decent too. Like I'm just wearing a t-shirt right now. Not sure, I think I got a size 20. So yeah, I got a size 20. I think that for a more snug fit, I would size down because I think an 18 would have looked really nice too. But I'm gonna keep the 20 because I think that when it's really cold out, I can layer this with a sweater underneath and it'll still fit comfortably. Okay, next thing I picked up is this really cute, slightly oversized cardigan. As you can see, it's pretty long. It has some little pockets here. It's like a cable knit style. Very basic, very cute little cardigan. I love the color, and this is just something that I'll wear in the house when I'm working and I want to be warm, because sometimes hoodies are too thick. This I can easily take on and off with a sweatshirt with a t-shirt underneath. And it's cute for just running errands really quick. Sometimes, you know, I just want to be a little bit warmer and cozy, but if I'm gonna stay in the car or I'm only gonna get out real quick and go back in the car, I don't want to have to bundle up with the sweaters and the jacket and the coat. Like sometimes if I'm just running in the car, I can throw on just something like this, really cozy, and it just helps you when you're working from home to be prepared. Next we have the pink glittery dress that I told you guys about. It's the same one as the gray. It is significantly snug, more snug in the hip area. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's still pretty comfortable. It doesn't feel like super, super tight. Like I can still walk in it. I can still sit in it well, and I think if I wear it for a little while and kind of stretch it out, I can make it fit even better. But I do like that the top is more snug. I wasn't able to zipper it by myself, but my husband will be able to do it. But yeah, the top, as you can see, fits better. It doesn't look as loose, and I love the color. So obviously my tree theme this year is red, but my bedroom tree is pink. So I think this is like a really beautiful mix between this and the pink tree. And I think that as the hostess of the party, this would be a really cool way to incorporate both of the trees and kind of have like this hot pink red dress vibe. So this might be the winner for the party, guys. This might be the winner. It is so freaking beautiful. I really, really like it. And with this one, I won't need to do anything crazy to make the top fit because it is a smaller size. So I love this. Is this not gorgeous? Look at the glitters, look at the shimmers. Okay, so before I show you the dress I'm wearing, I'm gonna show you this red one. I got this as a contender, again, for the holiday party dress. But in person, I don't like it. I'm not a fan of this print anymore. I think it's kind of old school, like this Baroque print. I just feel like it's very like 2016, 2017. I think it's kind of done. Like, let's move on. Let's wear different kinds of sequins, different kinds of materials, you know? And also it's high neck, and it's not gonna be comfortable, but I thought I'd show it to you guys. It does have some nice stretch, and it's long sleeve and high neck. So if that's something you like, check this one out. This one I absolutely love. The material is a bit thin in my opinion. I think that I wish it was a bit thicker, but I love the actual shimmer of the material, and I love the style of the dress. I think it's so beautiful, but I feel like the material is a little too thin, and it's not really doing my shape any favors, which is unfortunate. If you guys watched my last Fashion Nova haul, which was also a holiday dress haul, there was a gold dress in that haul that was similar to this in terms of like the fabric. It's actually right here. I just filmed the other video, so I have everything right here. So as you can see, it's a similar fabric. This one is not glittery as much as it is metallic, but it is similar. And this one, if you go watch that video, you'll see how it looks on the body. It's so, so pretty. Whereas this one feels, I don't know, a little too thin. Like it's not doing any favors for me, but I love the way it looks and the shape of it. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe with some shapewear, I might like it better, just to kind of smooth everything a bit more and just suck it in a bit more. I don't know, but I love that it looks like wet. Okay, and the last thing I picked up in this haul is this cute set. It's just 2 shirts. This is a little black slinky like tank top, and then it comes with a black slinky t-shirt. Really cozy, really comfy. These are great basics that everyone should have. They really come in handy, especially in the fall and the winter when you're layering a lot. You could put a nice coat over this when you're layering with leggings. You can put, you know, blazers over these. It's just really good to have basics. So grab this, and that is it for my haul. So I didn't grab a ton of stuff. It was basically just to get some dresses to decide what I'm gonna wear for my party. Let me know in the comments. Do you want silver? Should I wear the silver one, the pink one, or let's call this the wet one? So pink, gray, or the wet one. Let me know what you guys think. Which dress should I wear? Okay guys, so that is it for this haul. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, stay glam, and of course, the cheapest way to support me, if you appreciate my videos, you like my content, is to go to the brands and tell them, we love this person's content, we love Gabriella, we want to see more from her, please collaborate with her. leaving comments, sharing my videos, commenting, all that stuff, like liking, sharing, all of that is a free way to support me, and it really helps me. So I love you guys so much, and as always, the links to everything you saw in this video will be down below. I love you so much. Stay glam. Besitos. Bye. Happy holidays.